Welcome. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Take a moment to arrive here, letting your body know it is safe now to soften, to release, to reconcile. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With each exhale, imagine your shoulders melting further into the ground under the gravity. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel how your body relaxes. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your awareness to your forehead, smooth and wide. Jaw unclenches, releases. Mouth slightly open. Tongue rests gently in your mouth. The back of the neck lengthens. Shoulders soften. Chest opens. Belly releases. Legs grow heavy. Arms loose. Hands loose and relaxed. Feel the whole body resting like a calm river, flowing effortlessly. Now gently turn your head to the left. Eyes look to the right corner. Hold here. Stay for the slow breath in and exhale. One more slow inhale and exhale. Notice your body may swallow, sigh, or yawn. That's your nervous system softening. Return to the center slowly and turn your head to the right side. Eyes look to the left corner. One slow inhale and exhale. Second inhale and exhale. Return to the center. Slow inhale and exhale. Turn your head to the left. Look to the right. Slow inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Return to the center. Slow inhale and exhale. Turn to the right. Let yourself to the left. Your head is on the right side. One more inhale. And exhale. Return to the center. Slowly inhale. And while exhaling, make a soft sound. Turn your head to the left. Slowly inhale. Look to the right. Exhale. Slowly inhale. Exhale. Return to the center. Inhale and exhale with a sound. Turn your head to the right. Slow inhale. Look to the left and exhale. One more slow inhale. And exhale. Return to the center. Inhale and on exhale make a sound. Now bring to mind a place where you feel safe and supported. Something from your beautiful memories. Maybe a place of nature or time you felt truly held and joyful. Notice the colors, the light, the textures that around you. Let that scene glow like warm sunlight in your chest. With each inhale, breathe that color of sun inside. With each exhale, imagine it wrapping around your whole body like a soft blanket. Slowly inhale for the count of 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale, wrapping yourself with these warm memories, with this energy all over your aura. Slowly exhale. One more inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale, wrapping yourself around with that warm light energy. One more inhale and slow exhale, wrapping yourself in the beautiful sunlight, protecting, warm, comforting, something that makes you feel home, whole, enough. And one more inhale and slow exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel how your breath moving through your body. Bring your left hand on your heart and right hand on your belly and silently affirm, I am who I am, and that is enough. I am who I am, and that is enough. I am who I am, and that is enough. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes softly and carry this sense of calm and safety with you into the rest of your